Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing the essentials: a matte color calibration chart and a camera set to full manual. Set aperture, shutter speed, and ISO deliberately so exposure is stable. Shoot RAW to preserve data. Position the chart perpendicular to the lens and at the same lighting as your subject to avoid tint shifts. Once done, fill the frame with the chart or include a target area for cropping. Make sure no shadows or specular highlights touch the patches so your reference will be accurate. Now capture clean reference frames. Meter from the chart's neutral patch or rely on the histogram to avoid clipping highlights and blacks. Take 2 to 3 bracketed shots at plus or minus 1 EV to guarantee usable RAW data across exposures, and include the gray card or white balance patch in the same light for easy WB correction. Once you have images, tethering or marking a reference shot helps. Make sure to record which image contains the ideal chart framing, so processing is finished by generating the color profile. Import the RAW, crop precisely to the chart, and use your calibration software to build an ICC profile or 3D LUT. Apply that profile to a representative test image and inspect neutral grays and skin tones. Look for color casts or saturation errors. If things look off, recheck lighting and reshoot if necessary. Otherwise, tweak the profile temperature or tint and reapply. Quick troubleshooting tip: if you still see a bias, verify chart cleanliness and that no mixed lighting contaminates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.